Let's be real, technology is moving at a dizzying pace. It feels like every single day there's something new to learn. And honestly, it's easy to feel a little left behind. So today, we're going to talk about how to find some clarity in all that chaos, and maybe even start to navigate this super complex tech world.
Does it ever feel like you're just trying to keep your head above water? In this absolute flood of new apps, new buzzwords, new expectations. If you've ever felt that little bit of panic, that feeling of falling behind, trust me, you are definitely not alone.
I mean, every day we get hit with a whole list of terms like these. We hear about AI, which is basically about making machines smart enough to learn and solve problems. And then there's the cloud, which is really just a fancy way of saying we're using the internet to store and use stuff instead of our own computers. Each one of these is a huge topic on its own. It's a lot to keep track of.
And all of this, well, it leads to a very, very modern problem, what we can call the tech overload. It's that feeling of just drowning in this endless sea of information where it feels almost impossible to figure out what's important and what's just, noise.
It's so easy to feel completely lost in this maze of information. But what if you had a map, right? What if there was a way to cut right through all that noise and find a clear, reliable signal?
That is exactly where a guide comes in. Today, we're going to explore an approach that's designed to do just that, to take that overwhelming roar of information and turn it into something you can actually understand, and more importantly, actually use.
Okay, so let's look at a company that's taking this problem head-on, Virtualization Options LLC. Their whole mission, their entire reason for being, is to help people manage technology. And that's whether you're just an individual trying to learn the basics or a big business trying to make a massive strategic decision.
So how do they do it? How do they tackle this massive challenge? Well, their approach has two really important parts. Let's start with the one that's for, well, pretty much anyone who's ever felt lost in the tech world and just wants to get a handle on things.
What they've done is they've created basically a digital library for anyone who's curious. It's a place you can go to find straight, simple answers on really complex topics, but without all the dense jargon that usually just gets in the way.
And here's the part that's just awesome. They offer these really comprehensive explainers and even courses on all these super critical topics, and they've made them completely free. The whole idea is to just knock down the barriers, Make this knowledge accessible to absolutely everyone.
This quote really it nails it. The idea isn't to just dump more information on you. No way. It's about simplifying things, about giving you the tools to manage that flood of info so you can focus on what actually matters to you.
Okay, but what about businesses? For them, this rapid pace of change creates a totally different set of challenges with really high stakes. So let's see how Virtualization Options helps organizations find their way through this landscape.
So, if they offer a library for the individual, then for a business, they offer something different. They become a personal guide, a partner who can help them make sense of those tough, strategic decisions that always come with new technology.
Now, this side of the company is led by its founder, Bob Slovic, and he provides something that is incredibly rare, and I mean rare, in the tech world, a truly independent, fresh perspective. This means you're getting advice that isn't colored by office politics or some vendor's sales pitch. It's just the straight goods.
And for a business, this is what it all boils down to. When you bring in that outside perspective, you can reduce the huge risks that come with adopting new tech, like, a super expensive, failed AI project. And you can make sure you're actually getting the most bang for your buck on that investment.
And we're not talking about theory here. This is real, concrete, hands-on work. We're talking about things like customized AI security training built just for your team, getting unbiased advice before you spend a fortune on a new AI platform, or guiding a whole company through a massive digital overhaul.
So when you kind of step back and look at the whole picture, you start to see this really powerful two-part approach. It's a model for helping people navigate whatever's coming next, whether you're just learning on your own or you're a giant enterprise. Right here, you can really see the two sides of the same coin. On one hand, you've got free, easy-to-access knowledge to help individuals get their footing. And on the other, you've got expert, tailored advice for businesses so they can reduce risk and grow. It's a whole approach to a really complex problem.
At the end of the day, the mission is pretty simple. It's to bridge that knowledge gap. It's a recognition that in the world we live in now, understanding technology isn't just for the experts anymore. It's essential for everybody, from a student trying to learn to a CEO trying to lead their company.
So, as the world just keeps changing faster and faster every day, it leaves us with a pretty important question to think about. How are you making sense of it all? Who's your guide on this journey?